Question number one: India submitted its updated nationally determined contributions under which international agreement? Answer is option number C, Paris Agreement. Question number two: Which state became the first in India to introduce artificial intelligence as mainstream school subject? Answer is option number C, Punjab. Question number three: The Union Cabinet approved the Bhavya Rasayan scheme with an outlay of. Answer is option number C, 3030 crores. Question number four: India's third National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management will be established in. Answer is option number B, Hajipur. Question number five: The Anurachal Kiwi Mission was launched to promote the cultivation of. Answer is option number C, Kiwi. Question number six: Which state achieved a zero primary dropout rate in government schools? Answer is option number C, Jharkhand. Question number seven: India's first low emission zone was introduced to primarily reduce. Answer is option number B, air pollution. Question number eight: India's first algae tree was established in. Answer is option number C, Bhopal. Question number nine: An ancient underground river channel was discovered between. Answer is option number B, Kanpur and Prayagraj. Question number 10: NCDEX launched India's first weather derivative name. Answer is option number C, Rain Mumbai. Question number 11: Project Kusha is related to. Answer is option number B, Long Range Air Defense Missile System. Question number 12: The Public Examinations Act aims to curb. Answer is option number B, paper leaks and exam malpractices. Question number 13: The Kutki conservation is associated with. Answer is option number A, a medical plant. Question number 14. India won a total of how many medals in 2026 International Olympiads? Answer is option number 19. Question number 15. Which ministry launched initiatives to strengthen India's regional aviation network? Answer is option number B. Ministry of Civil Aviation. Question number 16. The updated NDCs submitted by India are mainly related to. Answer is option number B. Climate action. Question number 17. The Bhavya Rasayan scheme is associated with the development of. Answer is option number B. Chemical parks. Question number 18. The weather derivative launched by NC Tex is linked with rainfall in. Answer is option number B. Mumbai. Question number 19. Which sector will benefit the most from the Anurachal Kiwi mission? Answer is option number B. Horticulture. Question number 20. The discovery of an ancient underground river channel was reported in which Indian state? Answer is option number A. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 21. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the highest civilian honor in which country in July 2026? Answer is option number B. Indonesia. Question number 22. Which country won the FIFA World Cup 2026? Answer is option number C. Spain. Question number 23. The 2026 Commonwealth Games officially began in. Answer is option number B. Glasgow. Who became India's new Union Educational Minister in July 2026? Answer is option number C. Pralhad Joshi. Question number 25. Dharmendra Pradhan resigned from which union ministry? Answer is option number C. Education. Question number 26. Which act was strengthened to prevent paper leaks and unfair examination practices? Answer is option number B, Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act. Question number 27. Which Indian athlete was among the biggest medal hopes in the Commonwealth Games 2026? Answer is option number B, Neeraj Chopra. Question number 28. India won its first medal at Commonwealth Games 2026 in which sport? Answer is option number C, weightlifting. Question number 29. Which organizational develops Project Kusha? Answer is option number C, DRDO. Question number 30. The newly launched BAS system seen in news July 2026 is related to? Answer is option number B, defense. Question number 31. RIMPAC 2026 military exercise is hosted by? Answer is option number D, United States. Question number 32. The Malaprabha River seen in the news is a tributary of? Answer is option number B, Krishna. Question number 33. The Suman Roadmap 2030 is associated with? Answer is option number B, maternal and newborn healthcare. Question number 34. Which ministry is primarily associated with Suman initiative? Answer is option number B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 35. Kargil Divas is observed every year on? Answer is option number D, 26 July. Question number 36. World Hepatitis Day is observed on? Answer is option number C, 28 July. Question number 37. Nelson Mandela International Day is observed on? Answer is option number B, 18 July. Question number 38. International Moon Day is celebrated on. Answer is option number B, 20 July. Question number 39. National Flag Adoption Day in India is observed on. Answer is option number B, 22 July. Question number 40. Income Tax Day in India is celebrated on. Answer is option number C, 24 July. Question number 41. India chaired the BRICS Heads of Space Agencies meeting in which city during July 2026? Answer is option number B, Bangalore. Question number 42. The upgraded UN platform launched by Government of India is mainly related to. Answer is option number B, child immunization. Question number 43. Which union ministry launched the upgraded UN platform? Answer is option number B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 44. Which international organization released the World Population Prospect 2026 report? Answer is option number C, United Nations. Question number 45. Which Indian state launched a major mission during July 2026 to strengthen natural farming? Answer is option number A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 46. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for implementing the PM's e-bis Seva scheme? Answer is option number B, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question number 47. The India Energy Stack initiative is primarily aimed at improving. Answer is option number B, energy sector digital infrastructure. Question number 48. Which day is observed every year as World Nature Conservation Day? Answer is option number C, 28 July. Question number 49. The RIMPAC 2026 multinational naval exercise was held in. Answer is option number C, Pacific Ocean. Question number 50. Which Indian defense organization is developing the indigenous Project Kusha long range air defense system? Answer is option number C, DRDO.